Welcome to ArrangeWave. Today we're talking about how to process a group. All right, so here I have a gang shout group. I'm just shouting 1, 2, 3 for a song. There's about 30 tracks. If you need to know how to group, you just right-click Group Tracks. I only have a little bit of processing, just some compression and EQ on the individual tracks. Let's give it a listen.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so I have these on a group. Here's what it sounds like.
1, 2, 3.
So I want to add some effects to this group. Each individual track is processed and then sent into the group, and then the effects come afterward. So I'm going to add some reverb.
1, 2, 3.
Here's Ozone Imager to widen it a bit.
1, 2, 3.
Got some EQ and then some multiband compression.
1, 2, 3.
I automated a filter sweep in here just for a little bit of fun. Let's listen to that.
1, 2, 3.
Cool. We're going to turn that off. I'm going to turn off all my processing so you can hear where we started.
1, 2, 3.
And then with my processing on.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed and what we should talk about next.